Well, good morning. On today's hike, we are in search of snow. And we do know that there is significant snow at LeConte Lodge, which may very well be our end destination. We'll see. But right now, the road's closed on Cherokee Orchard Road, so we're having to hike up the road to get to the trailhead. But anyway, if you like winter hiking and all that good stuff, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you like about it. Maybe I'll do a little video on layering and all that good stuff. Alright, we are getting a little bit more sleet and a little more snow on Bullhead Trail. There we go. More snow we get.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow.
So we feel like we've got the entire Smoky Mountains to ourselves today.
We probably do.
Snowing pretty good, and we're fairly close to pulpit. So.
And I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard. But I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And now I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last. Because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes, falling for you. Yes, it's true. I'm falling for you.
Yep, we're still trekking up to LeConte Lodge, and there's, I don't know, what do you think? That's probably 1.5 to 2 inches of snow probably. A lot of down trees on Bullhead. And it's been slow going today. Slow going. But we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. So far, all my gear is working out well. My base layer is good. My mid and outer layers are great. Don't really have anything cold except maybe my toes just a little bit. But
Christmas tree.
that's okay.
Oh, there's the Christmas tree. Except for we're gonna leave it here. Okay. Am I on film?
Mhm.
It's rough walking through this snow. Can't go 3 miles an hour. Right?
No, you can't go 4 or 5 mile an hour either.
Probably could run through it better than walking through it.
Mm-mm.
Downhill.
Wonder what our average is.
I have it on the thing. Probably 1.2.
I'd say it's
So,
faster than that,
it's,
but it's not much faster than that.
No, it's rough. It's rough. Hopefully the sun's gonna come out and
I just did this trail like 3 weeks ago, and obviously it didn't look like this. There's probably a good, I don't know, what do you think, 2.5 inches now?
There's 3 inches.
3 inches of snow on the trail.
Yeah.
And but we're wore out. I'm actually sitting on a snowbank right now just cooling my jets. And Lisa's looking on her all trails app to see where the Rainbow Falls intersection is.
We're not even close.
I still think it's another couple miles or 3 where we are.
There we are. We still have to go all the way up there.
Getting a little bit higher up on the mountain. Snow's getting a little deeper. Wind is a little colder. Yeah, let's look around. Check that out.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the door, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart, and I'm falling just like this snow.
Alright, y'all. We are at the Bullhead Rainbow Falls Trail intersection on Mount LeConte. Looks like from the tracks down there, there's been some other people up Rainbow or down Rainbow today. Can you tell which way they went? Looks like down to me. Anyway, there's the Rainbow Falls trail sign, and there's Lisa, and right behind this big old tree limb of snow is the trail sign. Yeah, we are for sure inching our way to LeConte Lodge, but look at this.
Tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes. it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last. Because I'm falling just like the snowflakes tumbling down.
Alright, y'all. We have reached LeConte Lodge on top of Mount LeConte.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the call, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you.
So we have just left LeConte Lodge, and we're getting ready to jump down Rainbow Falls Trail right here, all the way back down to the car. Oh, who's in it with me? Yep, her hand's raised. All right, let's go, Rainbow Falls.
Update.
All right, this is what it looks like heading down Rainbow Falls. A little bit different, isn't it? Still snowy, but not as deep. There's the big rocks in the burn area off Rainbow Falls. And the last time I was up here, and Lisa and we all went right back there off trail for one of the most awesome views. Hey y'all, we have made it down to Rainbow Falls, and anyway, hey, let me just turn the camera around.
That might be the best I've ever seen Rainbow Falls flowing.
All right, we are back down at the parking lot of Bullhead and Rainbow Falls. It was a nice, cold, snowy hike up to LeConte. It's beautiful up there.
Snow's about gone down here.
Snow's about gone, yeah. When we came in this morning, we had to park down to Science Center because Cherokee Orchard Road was closed. So we're going to hike this
Lovely road.
yeah, lovely road, a mile or so back down to our car, and put on some dry clothes and get out of here.
Woo! Food time.
Right, food time. Alright guys, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think about hiking in the snow, and I'll try to do a little description of the layers that we had on as far as layering up for a winter hike. Give us the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See y'all later.
When it snows, ain't it thrilling? Through your nose is a chilling. We'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland. It's a beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.